Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your recently deleted photos on your iPhone. And it's very easy to do this. You just need to locate the Photos application. Otherwise, you can go to your camera right here and select it. Now go to your picture in the bottom left, and then go to All Photos. Now under here, tap Album, and you might have to tap it a few times. And then scroll on down, and you'll see the media type under here for videos, selfies, live photos, etc. And then we see utilities, imports hidden and recently deleted. Press recently deleted and then verify your photo under here. And once we do this, we can recover any kind of image in here. So let's go to, I don't know, me with, let's go to this one right here and select it. And then we have an option to permanently delete it off our phone or our account, our iCloud account, or we can recover it. So let's go to recover. Now it should be under my library again. It says I have 402 photos, 20 videos. Photos and videos show the days remaining before deletion. After that time, items will be permanently deleted. This may take up to 40 days. So essentially, you have 40 days to recover your photos. Otherwise, they're going to be permanently deleted from your iPhone. So just heads up, there's a restriction there. And then your photos should just be back under library. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.